Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. I'm going to do another Memorydex Rolodex card. I'm using 140-pound watercolor paper. This rubber stamp set that was gifted to me from Mimi. So thank you, Mimi. This is the horse hug. And I'm going to make this horse into a unicorn, so I think that's going to be super cute. And I'm going to start out by just putting the stamp on my acrylic block and using Ranger archival ink in jet black. I'm going to stamp my stamp kind of at an angle upward. So instead of the way the stamp sits straight, I'm going to tip it upward because I want to add that unicorn horn. So then I will show you my next step. Get started and have some fun and create a card together. So here's the image stamped kind of at an angle on my watercolor paper that's 140 pound, and about the right size for a Memorydex card is about 4.5 inches wide to fit in my little holder for them. So I'm going to kind of mark that to give me an idea of where I want the card to be. So where this ends, I'm going to use a pencil and just curve this around to make his chest. And I'm going to do this back here to extend that out, even though it goes past where the card's going to be. Like this is where the card's going to be. And I will probably add some more mane to him and make a real colorful mane since it's going to be a unicorn, but I thought it'd be kind of fun to put a unicorn horn. So if I put my pencil down like this and kind of play around to see an angle, I think the horn would come out about like that. So I'm going to just, using my pencil as that little kind of guide, I'm going to just draw a unicorn horn and then make it twisted. I think that will look really fun, like that, like that. And then to make this card, I think what I'll do is draw some fun mane and have that be this part of the card. And on this side, I think I'll just curve the card over and bring it up here and cut it off. So that's how I'm going to create my card, and I'm going to cut that out, and then I'm going to go ahead and watercolor paint and do mixed media. I think I'll do a watercolor based and then add some other things to it, maybe some Neo Color 2, some Faber-Castell Pit Artist pens, some Arteza brush pens, all kinds of fun stuff to decorate this. And so here's how that came out. I just need to cut it out, and I just wanted to show you a few of the things that I used on it. The colors on it, I used Caran d'Ache Neo Color 2, I used Posca paint pens, Arteza brush pens, some Faber-Castell Pit pens, and I just, some fine liners to do the little lines in her hair. I added glitter ink. I love Spectrum Noir glitter ink sparkle in just plain clear, and I covered the whole unicorn. After I colored it, I covered it in glitter ink, so it just makes the whole thing sparkle, and the main sparkle. It's just so pretty, and it kind of blended those main colors together. It looks really fun. So then what I did for the letters in the background, I used a dip pen, and I used Dr. P.H. Martin's pen white ink and a dip pen to write the word magic, to put the stars on the background, to put the little glints in her eye and things like that. I used a dip pen for that. So now I just need to cut my card out and then go along the white edges with a pen and punch my holes in the bottom, and I'll show you when it's finished. Here's what it looks like. And now I'm going to take my Heidi Swap punch and punch the bottom of the card. Just kind of line it up in here to find center. Punch my tabs. And now it's ready to go into my little Rolodex drawer or on my Heidi Swap spinner. So there it is, Believe in Magic. Hope you enjoyed this. This was taking the Horse Hugs Jane Davenport stamp and changing it up and doing some artistic changes to it. I added a dress to the girl that wasn't in it. She was kind of hugging it from behind, and now it kind of looks like she's standing in front of the unicorn. But I added mane out the back and a unicorn horn to the horse and made it into a unicorn instead of a horse hug. So play around, see what you can create. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you're having a great day making art, because art soothes the heart.